Before you start, remember to remove the gold pin from the roller. The connector between the motor and the cable from the junction box is circled in red in this example. Your connector will have yellow or green stripes. Open the connector and check for rust or melting. If detected, request a replacement. Remove the motor cable from the connector. Insert the multimeter probes into the connector as shown. Press C on a 4-button remote, or press A on a 2-button remote. The meter should show approximately 24 volts. If no voltage shows, the cable may be damaged and need replacing. If all is good, rejoin the motor connector and insert the gold pin in the roller.